Guys premium grade microfiber applicator is the ideal choice for applying your favorite Chemical Guys products. This applicator is your best choice for applying waxes, sealants, glazes, dressings, and much more. This premium applicator has dual interior stitched seams to ensure edges never touch the surface of your paint, reducing surface scratches and improving the application of all products. Premium 100% machine washable microfiber fabric is wrapped around a plush Durafoam pad that is engineered to deliver just the right amount of pressure to easily mold itself to the surface, delivering just the right amount of product. This applicator pad will not saturate the sponge and will not retain product, which would lead to product waste. Keep your microfiber applicator and all microfiber towels at the peak of their softness and performance with microfiber wash cleaning detergent concentrate. The Chemical Guys premium grade microfiber applicator, available right here on Amazon. Hybrid V7 is a revolutionary combination of spray sealant technology and quick detailer in one. To use Hybrid V7, simply spray on a generous amount on any contaminated surface. Wipe in one direction with a plush premium microfiber towel and buff off any residual remaining chemicals. Hybrid V7 will produce the highest gloss shine and unbeatable reflection coming off of your vehicle's paint and clear coat. Hybrid V7 is designed to remove fingerprints, dust, road grime, and debris while providing a high gloss shine teamed with the protection of an automotive paint sealant. Hybrid V7 will work great on all cars, all colors, and all surfaces, whether it be painted surfaces, glass, plastic, trims, interior, or exterior parts of your car. Hybrid V7 will give you unmatched results you won't find in mass-produced, corporate, diluted chemicals available from the chain stores. The professionals always reach for a bottle of Hybrid V7, available right now here on Amazon.
Alrighty guys, we're just about ready to return this Ferrari back to its owner when we noticed that this door panel had a lot of grease and shoe prints on the leather here. So I'm going to show you just real quickly how to clean that up and get it looking right. Using this leather brush here, it'll be an easy way to scrub off all this grime without harming the leather. And the leather cleaner, spray directly into the surface and then just gently agitate it, and already you can see it's pulling it off, bringing out that natural leather color again. So the leather cleaner, it's safe for any color leather, whether you have tan, red, black. It all works the same. It'll gently remove any kind of body oils or grease or dirt and filth without harming the leather in any way. So once you've cleaned a sufficient area, you want to take a clean microfiber towel and just buff off the excess cleaner and dirt, and it'll reveal the nice, clean, supple leather again. Now the reason I'm using a tan towel is because we designate our towels by different colors. Tan, we go with leather. You can do blue for windows, green for exterior, just different applications. So now that the surface is completely clean, I'm going to go ahead and condition it. Now by conditioning it, I'm going to protect it against future stains or discoloration, and also it's going to rejuvenate the leather, helping it last as long as it can. So all I have to do is take your leather conditioner, shake it up, and then using an applicator, you're just going to apply a few lines to it, and then you're going to work it into the leather itself. What I like to do is blotch it out just so I'm not putting a heavy, puddle of the conditioner in one area, and then I'll just work it into the entire door panel. Now by cleaning the surface, it's made it easier for the actual conditioner to stick to it, which will make it last a lot longer. So now that I've just finished conditioning the door, you can either let this sit there if you want that higher shine, which I'm going to do because I like that glossier effect, but if you don't, just come back with a clean microfiber towel and buff off the excess. Now there's a few more areas inside of this vehicle that I want to address. I'll tackle that. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and check out our products on chemicalguys.com.
Now this is all natural Carnauba cream wax, so it's going to give a brilliant shine on all color finishes, plus it's going to protect the vehicle from UV solar rays, water spots, and any type of contamination. So after we shook up our butter wet wax, we're going to go ahead and put a few lines right on the applicator pad. So you can see that the butter wet wax spreads on with little effort. Now what I like about butter wet wax is that it has a nice fresh banana scent. So that means it's easy to use and it smells great when I'm using it too. And this works on any car, truck, motorcycle, RV. You can even use it on bicycles or custom vehicles. It's quick and easy, and it's the easiest wax that we manufacture here at Chemical Guys. I'm going to use some of our silk-lined premium microfiber towels to buff off the wax, and it gives any color a nice, brilliant shine. Now what I like about butter wet wax is that you can easily apply it in just a few minutes. So it's something you can do on a weekend, or you can wax your car once a month if you like to keep your car looking great.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.